Greetings traders, it is Thursday, May 17th, 2018. It's late here where I'm at, it's 11:30 at night. I just got home and the trade that I went for earlier had worked off of the code 2 and I just made 20 ticks. I was going to go for 30, but I figured since I got to leave, I'll just do 20, and it made it. And I think it made it to the 32, but I have to go look at that. Anyway, another good little trade using the code, and I haven't got the code figured out for tomorrow yet, but I will once I do the charting service, and we'll figure it out for Friday and see what the code is going to be for Friday, and hopefully it'll be a good day on Friday. It doesn't, looking at the daily, it doesn't look like it's moved a whole lot today, so I think Friday might be a good day. We might get a good, a big day on Friday, maybe like we did a couple Fridays ago. Code was good for 120 ticks. So anyway, I'll be back tomorrow for Friday to do some more trading. Hope you traders are doing well, and I hope you code traders out there, especially you charting subscribers, are hitting the trades today. It looked like a few of the codes worked. I haven't taken a good look at it yet though. Let me look at it better, and I'll comment more on it in the charting service. But anyway, hope all of you traders out there are doing well, hitting these trades. Happy trading everyone. See you tomorrow.